This is the Pureology Strength Cure Conditioner. I love using this conditioner. I've used it for a couple months now, and it's perfect for people who maybe have breakage at the ends. Maybe they've bleached their hair, because it just allows your hair to be nourished and kind of rebuild the protein so that it can strengthen up. So I love this. It's definitely like a more healing conditioner instead of maybe an everyday one. But the Pureology brand itself is one of my favorites, and then this specific conditioner is also one of them. Super hydrating, super replenishing. I would highly recommend it.